So yan guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, Instructor Monski. Today, maglalaro tayo sa PPO. Meron silang kagitingan, araw ng kagitingan shoot fest dito sa Palawan. Siyempre kasama ko si Ardo Dalisay. So medyo kulang kami kasi yung iba wala nasa mission, kaya kami lang dalawa. So yan guys, samahan nyo kami dito sa aming laro at I hope na bigyan kami ng lucky day ngayon para at least kahit paano maganda yung aming mga run. So yan guys, kita-kita tayo sa PPO Pirate Beach.
Finish, unload is clear. If clear, hammer down. Open action, secure chamber. Muscle up. Range is clear. Time 869. 869.
Ready.
Stand by. Finish, unload, clear. Clear. Secure chamber. Range clear. Time 987. 987.
Ready.
Stand by.
Finish, unload, and shoot clear. Hammer down. Hammer down. Open chamber. Secured. Hammer up. Muscle up.
Okay. Load. And make ready. Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. If you finish, unload and shoot clear. If clear, hammer down. Open action. Muscle up. Time 1355. Galing. Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by.
Finish unloading. Meron. Number. Okay, laki. Okay. Nakasilap.
Woo!
2810.
So ayan guys, tapos na kami pumotok at okay naman. So goods naman ang aming mga run. So bukas tingnan natin kung makaputok pa tayo, kung may bala pa. Pag meron, putok ulit tayo. Pag wala, okay. Goods na yun. At least nakaamoy ulit ng pulpura. Ayan. Siyempre goods ba yun? Yung laro mo?
Yeah,
So,
okay lang.
ano na yun? May kagat na yun. Pag medyo mabagal-bagal sila, may kakagyan na sila.
Are you ready? Stand by. You're finished unloading, so clear. It's clear, hammer down. Holster. Range is clear, time 952. 952.
Are you ready?
Ready? Mahulog sir?
Stand by.
If you are finished, unload and shoe clear. Okay, hammer down, holster.
Load making. Option 2.
Are you ready?
Okay.
Stand by.
You are finished unloading shoe clear. Clear, half down, holster. Finish clear, time.
3033. 3033.
Load and make ready. Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by. Unloading shoe clear. It's clear. Hammer down. Holster.
Range clear, time 1519. 1519. Are you ready?
Ready?
Stand by. If you finish, unload and show clear. If clear, hammer down. Holster.
So ayan guys, maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na panonood sa aking mga vlog. So lately hindi ako nakakapag-vlog gawa ng medyo na-busy tayo sa ating trabaho. Saka medyo problema tayo sa financial. Malaki-laki rin ang expenses na naman paglalaro eh. Kaya medyo nag-ayos tayo. Balik na naman ulit tayo sa airsoft sunod. Tapos putok-putok naman ulit. So yan guys, I hope na nagustuhan nyo itong aking video. And syempre kung nagustuhan nyo, huwag nyo kalimutan like and share. And syempre kung hindi pa kayo nakapollow sa aking Facebook page, please follow my page, Tractor Monski. At yung sa aking Facebook account, personal Facebook account, Monski Lupig. So ayan guys, kita-kita tayo ulit sa susunod na mga video. And I hope na nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan lahat. And God bless you.